Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Windows 11 does not include native live wallpaper support, so you need an app. Install Lively Wallpaper from the Microsoft Store to add animated backgrounds. Lively supports MP4, WebM, and GIF files for live wallpapers on your desktop. The app runs in the background and pauses when full-screen apps are detected. It also pauses to save battery on laptops and resumes when plugged in. This process is the only reliable way to use live wallpapers on Windows 11 today. Open Microsoft Store and search for Lively Wallpaper, then click Install to proceed. Launch Lively and grant permission to run at startup if you want automatic application. Click Add and choose a local, MP4, WebM, or GIF file, or paste a supported URL for streaming. Select the new item and press Apply to set the live wallpaper immediately. Use settings to adjust volume, playback rate, and performance mode for smoother playback or reduced battery use. Open Lively settings to choose performance mode when conserving battery or CPU matters. Enable auto pause so the wallpaper stops during full-screen apps and games to prevent input lag. If a wallpaper stutters, try lowering resolution or choosing a lighter file format like WebM with hardware encoding. You can also set Lively to a higher process priority in Task Manager for smoother playback. Finally, update the app and your graphics drivers to the latest versions for best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.